avoid exercise injuries. Example, you might go for jogging, cycling, skipping. After that, there will be some knee problem for them. Ankle problem, they will stop for some time. How to avoid those? This is what today's class. How to avoid exercise injury. Yes. Men after 45 years, they will be having a higher chance of injury. Women after 55 years of age, if they are running, they are jogging, they are going for any exercise activity, in sense yoga, like that, you will be having strains and sprain. These are the two things. When you are doing some exercise, you will end up in this kind of injury. Another thing is back pain. What they will do is they will lift more weight. They will go for gym. The people who are doing for years, they will lift 100 kg. You want to compete them and you want to show everybody that I will also lift that same weight. So you will lift that, end up in back pain. Sir, how to avoid that? Sir, either shall I not improve my weight? Yes, you have to improve your weight, improve your strength, but without any injury you have to do that. How to do that? This is what today's class. Causes of injuries. Doing any exercise you have to do warm up. Have you seen kabaddi players, cricket players? They will not directly go to the field. Before that, what they will do? Warm up. Allowing the blood to flow throughout all our organs is called warm up. Before warm up, what it will be there is, our blood will not be flowing quickly. When you are immediately going for some dynamic activity, your blood will start to flow. Slowly, if your blood reaches all the cells and tissues, when you do some harsh activity, it will not end up in pain. But immediately you are sitting and then you are going and taking some weight, in the sense that blood has to flow. That is why before doing any sports activity, before doing any exercise, first thing is warm up. Repeating the same motion, not having proper form, not resting between workouts. Doing workout, you should not take rest. Pushing your body too much, too serious and not proper equipment. First thing, before doing exercise, what you have to do is warm up. Warm up is, these are the activities which you can do before going for, even for running. When people are running, they will be ending up in ankle problem or knees problem. These are all the warm up exercise. Warm up is pumping nutrients, oxygen, blood to your muscles. Not only blood, when you are doing this activity, it pumps nutrients, oxygen and your blood. It speeds up your heart rate and breathing. Getting blood to muscles to avoid the injuries. Simple warm up. A simple warm up is walking in a place. If you are going for any jogging, immediately when you go out of your home, you don't jog. Go for walk. At least 5 to 10 minutes. Then start jogging. A simple walk can be a warm up for exercise for your jogging. How much minutes you can do? 5 to 10 minutes. After warm up, what you have to do is stretching exercise. Stretching is different, warm up is different. Stretching is for muscles. For all your muscles, these are the exercise. From 1 to 10, these are stretching exercise. That means you will not end up in sprains. Stretching is extending your muscles. Before exercise, after exercise. 2 times they have to do. Hold the stretches for 15 to 30. Imagine you are doing this asana. You are touching your toes. That means you should not touch and immediately you should be straight. What you should do? You should touch there till 15 to 30 seconds you should be in that position. That is called stretching. Next thing. Third one. Use right equipment. When you are going for jog or some cycling, etc., use right equipment. That means you should have a helmet or you should have a nice shoes, etc. Safety equipment is required in order to overcome from any injuries. So this is what they say, and gradually you have to improve your activity. Next thing, choosing your exercise wisely. What is best for you? You have to choose. Everybody cannot take all the weights. Everybody cannot do all the exercise. You have to choose what is wiser to you. Start with low intensity. When you are doing exercise, do not straight away go to 50 kg, 60 kg weights. Start with low intensity, then you have to improve. Next thing is walking, swimming, riding, a stationary bike or golf. These are all the example for small exercise before going to a harsh sports activity. Yes, correct way to doing your exercise. Next thing, listen to your body. If you are doing anything, any exercise, if you are having any pain, you should stop. If your body says no, it is paining so much, means you should keep. Don't misunderstand the quote, no pain, no gain. If you are under pain, keep it aside. Soaring is different. Soaring means if you are doing any exercise, after one day, after 24 hours, if you are doing for shoulder, if you are doing for leg, anything, after doing that exercise, only it will pain. During the exercise, if you have any pain, you should stop. Doing jogging, during cycling, you don't feel any pain, you go ahead. But after stopping, if you have pain, in the sense, it is called soaring. It is good. During the exercise and during any activity, it should not pain. Listen to your body. If certain people are doing biceps workout, on that day it will be okay. The next day, they cannot lift their hand for taking food. In general, avoid. These three things you should avoid. Number of days. Certain people will be there. They will be doing exercise for so long. Today they will see one movie. In that movie, that hero will do workout and immediately he will be a big bodybuilder. Hrithik Roshan they will see. He is been doing workout for 9 to 10 months. Then only he can become. But these people immediately they join subscription. Tomorrow they have to become Hrithik Roshan, in the sense very hard. They will do what? 5 hours exercise, 4 hour exercise, longer duration. This should not be done. Number of days in general, avoid increasing 3 things. What are they? Number of days. Do not increase exercising number of days. If you are doing exercise, rest is required. How much of exercise is do? Same amount of rest is required. So exercise, rest, like that it have to go. Number of days, length of time and hard work. These 3 things should not parallelly increase. If it increase, it end up in injury. Stay hydrated. Sir, I am in sports. I am a sports person. I am running. I am jogging. Sir, I have to be hydrated. The people who are seeing advertisement, they will take anything. But when you are doing this kind of exercise, you need electrolyte. What are electrolyte is? It gives you energy. What is natural form of electrolyte? Coconut water, raw mango. Raw mango juice has more electrolyte. That means it gives you energy. Instead of drinking soft drinks, you can choose this option. Next thing is this lemonade, lemon water. You can have. Next thing, pomegranate juice, beetroot. When you are doing exercise, you have to get hydrated. Hydrated will help you in satisfying your water need. That means you are sweating, no? Your water need has to be intaken. Another thing is you need electrolyte. Electrolyte is energy. Where you get electrolyte? These 5 places. Don't go for artificial soft drinks. These people will do. The sports person will drink. In IPL they will drink during the drinks break. That is for advertisement. For your healthy purpose, go for this electrolytes. So this will help you in staying hydrated while exercise. How much shall I intake? Sir, I am going for sports. Shall I have 5 coconut water? 1 cup is sufficient. Every day you have to change your workout. Sir, one day I am going for jogging. Second day you can do cycling, flexibility, like that. Day to day you have to change your exercise routine. Vary your workout. Don't overuse one of the muscle. Daily don't do a single workout, cross train. First day you can run. Second day you can lift weight. Third day you can swim. Swimming is also an exercise which will give you cardiological strength. After your exercise, what you should do? Sir, before exercise I told warm up. Then you have to do stretching, etc. I told. During exercise I told. What after exercise you have to do? Bring your heart rate and body temperature back. 5 to 10 minutes. During any exercise, your heart pump will be very high. Temperature will also be high. You have to come to normal. It should take 5 to 10 minutes. At least you move for a walk. This will help you to reduce your breathing. Pay attention to your muscle soreness. This is what I told. Soreness begins from 12 to 24 hours after exercise. This is normal. And if there is persistent, intense muscle pain, you should stop that. I am going for walk or I am going for an exercise to start after a long break. Yes, don't do a long workout. Use short workout. Shortening cardio workout. Start from cardio workout. Treating workout injuries. RICE method. Rest the injury. Wherever portion you hurt, you put it in a rest mode. If it is in leg, do not move your leg. Next thing is ice. You should provide ice in that injured place. Compressing bandage. You have to have a bandage wherever have a swollen place. And last thing is elevate the position. Elevate means if your hand is cramped, you should be not leaving like this. It should be elevated. So that is why they have a bandage like this. It should be elevated. So whenever you have injury, follow this RICE technique. When to call for doctor? Some people will think that it is okay. I can manage like that, they will think. But when to go for doctor is muscle or joint pain, not going away after self-care. Chest pain, when you are doing exercise or workout, immediately your chest is paining means immediately go for doctor. This is not no pain, no gain. At that time you should not say no pain, no gain, I have to handle this chest pain means no. Some problem is there. You think you have broken a bone. Somebody will think, if you have that thinking, either I have broken a bone means, then you call a doctor. Joint is out of position, serious injury, bleeding, popping sound. During any workout, some popping sound will come. Immediately go for doctor. Do not think it is a normal thing. This is noticeable dizziness and